Welcome back, everyone. Well, it's another windy day here in central Michigan. Man, the wind's just been really crazy lately. All weekend long and last couple days as well. But it's blowing the leaves away onto my neighbor's property, which is a good thing, I guess. But today's video is going to be a little short. I'm out here in the shop. I went out and made a purchase, and I just wanted to share it with you. So without any further ado, let me grab it here at my feet. Here you go, folks. The MS 362 Stihl 20-inch bar. They had a couple there with 25-inch bars on it, but I decided to just go with the 20-inch. If further down the road I see that I need a 25-inch bar, I'll just pick one up. But so yeah, brand new. There's no gas or oil in it yet, so I'm looking forward to getting this out into the woods and putting it to use. This is going to be my first Stihl professional saw. So my other Stihl, the MS 270, I think I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that saw. I'm going to sell that on Facebook Marketplace, try and get rid of that. And I ordered the parts, the bar stud for my Echo Timberwolf, the CS590. I ordered the parts for that, so hopefully I'll get that new stud in sometime this week, by the end of the week, and get that back together and get that working too. So, but yeah, with the amount of cutting I've been doing, and that MS 270 just really didn't seem to cut all that well for me, so I decided to do an upgrade. So let me go ahead and grab the camera here and give you a little closer look. And this saw came with the yellow chain on it. I think pretty much all of my other chains have been the green ones, the anti-kickback. So when I get to wood with this, I'll be a little more careful. To shy away from the kickback. But yeah, there you go. Alright, so there you go. I just wanted to share that with you. The weather is supposed to be really warm this coming up week here. It's supposed to be up in the 60s and even close to 70 degrees. So I'm going to be definitely getting out in the woods and putting this saw to use. Slowly, of course. I gotta get it broken in yet, but yep, real excited about it. I think I made a good purchase. I did a lot of research, and the 362 seems like a good professional starter saw. So I guess that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and like I always say, we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.